Hello students, welcome to Nelson's English School, Standard 4 subject Computer. Today we'll start chapter 7, Maths with KTurtle. Introduction. KTurtle offers a special text command print which helps to print the text or to show the results of mathematical calculations on the canvas. So let us learn to use print commands and then to use it for showing calculations in result. This is the logo of KTurtle. Print command. This turtle script command is used for showing the text on canvas. This command takes numbers and character strings as input. The way to use this command is print number or string in double inverted. Example, print 200 and print learning KTurtle is fun will show the following output on the canvas. Print 200. This will show output like this. Then print learning KTurtle is fun. So the output will be like this. The text on the canvas is displayed from left to right along with the KTurtle. So, if you want to rotate the text to a certain angle, then turn the turtle to that angle before using the print command. For example, TR50 print computer will give the following output. See, this is the command and this is output. Now, Maths with KTurtle. We will now learn to perform simple mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponent using print command. Addition in KTurtle. To perform addition in KTurtle, we can use plus operator like this. Print first number plus second number. Example, print 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7 will give the following output on the canvas at turtle position. See, this will be the command and output. Now, subtraction in KTurtle. To calculate the difference between two numbers, we can subtract them using minus operator like this. Print first number minus second number. Example, print 180 minus 80 will give the following output on the canvas at turtle position. See, this is the command and output. Now, third is multiplication in KTurtle. If you want to multiply the two numbers, you can use multiplication operator as follows. Print first number star second number. Example, print 10 into 20 will give the following output on the canvas at turtle position. See, this is the command and this will be the output. Okay. Now, division in KTurtle. To divide the two numbers in KTurtle, we can use divide operator command as follows. Print first number divide second number. Example, print 100 divide by 5 will show the result on the canvas as shown. See, this is the command and this will be the output. Okay. Now, exponent in KTurtle. You can use exponent operator to calculate the power of number as follows. Print number, exponent sign and power. Example, print 2 exponent 4 will produce the output 16 on the canvas as shown. See, print 2 exponent 4 output will be 16. How? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 will be 16. So the output will be 16. See. using multiple operators for calculation. You can also use two or more operators in KTurtle to calculate the result of a mathematical expression. Example, 2 plus 6 divide 2 is equal to 5. In this mathematical expressions, two operators, that is plus and divide, are used in between the three numbers, that is 2, 6 and 2. The result of this expression will be 5. In this, 6 divided by 2 will be evaluated first to give quotient 3, which will then be added to 2, resulting in 5. This is because the mathematical operators are evaluated in following sequence. First, exponentiation, this is its sign. Second, we'll calculate division. Third is multiplication. Fourth is addition. And last is subtraction. See, here we have used reset, sh, print, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So the answer is 5. The turtle is not shown here because we have used sprite hide command. If you want to change the order of evaluation in any expression, you can enclose them in parentheses, that is brackets. Example, the above expression if written like this, bracket 2 plus 6 bracket closed divided by 6, the result will be 4, not 5, as in this 2 and 6 will be added first to produce 8, which will then be divided by 2 to produce the quotient 4. See, command, we have given reset, sprite hide, means the turtle will be hidden. Print, 2 plus 6 bracket close divided by 2. So the answer will be 4. Next is turtle script using mathematical operators. We can also use the mathematical operators like plus, minus, multiply and divide to calculate the steps by which the turtle has to move, like FW 60 plus 40 will move the turtle in forward direction by 100 units. See, here we have given command FW 60 plus 40 means forward 60 plus 40 equals 100. So command will be executed as FW 100. See, the output will be like this. The turtle will move forward 100 units. Okay. BW 100 minus 40 will move the turtle back by 60 units. See, BW 100 minus 40, which is BW 60. So the output will be this. The turtle will move backwards. So this chapter is finished here. Thank you.